Welcome back to Autoverse. Today, we're diving into one of the most breathtaking machines to ever come from Maranello, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This isn't just another supercar, it's Ferrari's next evolution in performance, design, and technology. The F80 represents a new era for the brand, combining electrified power with cutting-edge aerodynamics and pure Italian craftsmanship. It's built to push limits, redefine speed, and showcase what the future of Ferrari performance truly looks like. Let's explore its stunning exterior, luxurious interior, jaw-dropping performance, and what it might cost to own one of these automotive masterpieces. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ferrari F80 looks like it's straight out of the future. Every line, vent, and curve has a purpose, sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The design is an evolution of Ferrari's modern hypercar language, borrowing inspiration from models like the LaFerrari while taking it to the next level. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, featuring ultra-slim laser headlights integrated into sharp air channels that direct airflow smoothly over the body. The front splitter and active aerodynamic flaps adjust automatically to balance downforce and drag depending on speed. Along the sides, the F80 features a low, wide stance with large intakes feeding the hybrid powertrain and cooling the brakes. The flowing roofline tapers beautifully into a dramatic rear end with a full-width LED light strip and an active rear wing that deploys at high speeds for extra stability. The entire body is made from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, helping reduce weight while improving rigidity. Even the underbody is shaped to channel air for better handling and top speed. This car doesn't just look fast, it is fast, and every millimeter of its design serves that mission. Step inside, and the F80 feels like the cockpit of a fighter jet more than a car. Ferrari has always focused on creating driver-centric interiors, and the F80 takes that philosophy to perfection. The cabin is minimalist but drenched in luxury. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather dominate every surface, while every control is positioned precisely for the driver's convenience. The steering wheel features Ferrari's signature integrated controls, including the start button, drive mode selector, and LED rev indicator strip across the top. Behind it sits a fully digital curved display that shows performance data, navigation, and track telemetry. The seats are lightweight racing buckets that hug you tightly during high-speed maneuvers but remain surprisingly comfortable for longer drives. The dashboard is clean and futuristic, with most functions handled through the digital cluster and a small secondary screen for the passenger to view speed, gear selection, and performance stats. Ferrari has managed to balance extreme sportiness with luxury, creating a cabin that's both thrilling and refined. Now, when it comes to performance, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is nothing short of a technological masterpiece. Under the sleek body lies a hybrid powertrain that pairs a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with electric motors to deliver an astonishing combined output of around 1,200 horsepower. Power is sent through an advanced dual-clutch transmission and an all-wheel drive system that maximizes grip in every condition. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just about 2 seconds flat, making it one of the fastest production cars ever built. Top speed exceeds 230 miles per hour, with handling precision that keeps the driver in complete control. Ferrari's engineers have fine-tuned the suspension, electronic differential, and stability systems to create a perfect harmony between raw power and drivability. The F80 also features regenerative braking to recharge the hybrid system and improve efficiency without sacrificing performance. On a racetrack, it's a beast; on the road, it's an art form. As for pricing, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to start at around $2.9 million, though final figures may vary depending on customization and limited production numbers. Each unit will be handcrafted and highly exclusive, likely reserved for Ferrari's most loyal collectors and enthusiasts. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents Ferrari's vision of combining innovation, beauty, and performance in one extraordinary machine. From its futuristic exterior to its race-inspired interior and mind-blowing powertrain, the F80 is a hypercar designed to set new benchmarks for speed and emotion. Thanks for watching Autoverse. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars right here.